Welcome back to the channel, and I'm back with a new video and new power bank which I found on AliExpress, and it was supposed to be, or it is, 50,000 mAh power bank with 65 watts PD charging. So let's see, the number or the name was PSOOO. PSOOO. I can't spell it, but I can't speak it, but that's how it is. On the cover, it just says power bank, no specification, no manufacturer. That's it, nothing else is there. And let's see what is inside. It is a 50,000 mAh power bank. Here it is. What else is there? A manual is there, and a cable is there. Yeah, and in the manual now it says the name is there, 65 watts. And what does it support? It has lipo cells, 20 volts at 3.25 maximum, and again input can also be 65 watts. It doesn't have any digital display, but we'll see what else is there. The power, the cable, 65 watts, the name, and the same specification. Model number M16, 50,000 mAh at 3.7 volts. Yeah, and default 3 LEDs are on, so it means around 70% charge is there. Compare this 50,000 mAh with the Romos 40,000 and the PowerAdd Pro 50,000. So it is a pretty difference. I believe it is not even 20,000 or maybe 30,000, but not 50,000. It has only one USB-C port, and there are two USB-A ports and an LED, which I don't know how to turn on. So double click, turns on and turns off. So the quick test, can it supply with the supplied cable 65 watts? Check. 5 volts, 19 volts. It is getting itself charged and not out. So it is getting charged at around 60 watts. I will use another one to see if this is the same. Now it is out, and it can charge at least here 20 watts. Maybe that is because the power bank itself is already full. So I will use another one. Yeah, this one is the empty one. PowerAdd 50, 60. So it seems that 60 is the limit. What protocols does it support? It says, yeah, PD 360 watts, Apple, others it did not go through. And In continuous charging, it supports charging and discharging both, but as we can see here, at 5 volts and not PT. Only when we take out other one, then it may shift to, oh, doesn't, maybe connecting and disconnecting will help it. Now, and I will try to trigger it to go for 60 watts because that's what it supports. Yeah, but somehow it is not getting triggered. What about 12 volts? No, even the trigger didn't help. Maybe I was doing it wrong. However, when I use another USB tester, it shifts to 60 watts. So at least this 60 watt works, but I'm more interested in what is inside because so small and 50,000, I have to see what is inside. Okay, so what is inside? You can see there are 3 pouch batteries. Okay, so it has 3 pouch batteries, capacity unknown, I will find out. And the chipset it uses is IP5389. It has at least one temperature sensor, so some kind of heat protection is there. And let's see what kind of marking it has. Yes, some kind of JS batteries, 1260110 and 3.7 volts. Doesn't say what the capacity is. The batteries are connected in series. Since there is no mention of capacity here, I looked for the similar images on the Google, and that's what I found out. It is the same, and it says 10,000 mAh batteries. Yes, so the capacity is 30,000 and not 50,000 as on the label. So capacity is also then not 185 watt hour, but maybe around 100 or 130, but not 185. Since it has 3, so each is 36 or 37 watt hour, so it will be 111 or something like that. Yeah, but less than 120. Yeah, and it has only one, so beware, don't buy this model of power banks which says something on the cover and inside is only 3 batteries or 3 cells. So this is an AliExpress fail. I would suggest or recommend to stick to brand names like Romos or Basios, where you will get what is on the label. That's it. Thanks for watching. Like and share and subscribe, and beware of this power bank. Till next video. Bye bye.